Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML semantic elements. And right now, we'll be discussing about the nesting article in section or vice versa. So, talking about this, what are we trying to talk about is that the article element specifies independent self-contained content, whereas the section element defines section in a document. Now there is a question. Can we use the definitions to decide how to next those elements? No, we cannot. So you will find HTML pages with section elements containing article elements and article elements containing section elements. So this is how it works. Let me show you what is going on right here. Back to our code that we have in our previous tutorial and back to our as you can see, this is our page that we are having right here. So what we are trying to discuss now is that, as you can see, all these codes that you are seeing inside this most popular browser article here, we can have, if we want to have multiple articles like this again, we want to have it on another separate topic, definitely we can say this one is for section what, section 1, you understand, and carry all this one, because we are talking about browser inside this place, carry all this and place it inside what, inside your section right here. After that, we can now talk about, maybe we want to talk about shoe or we want to talk about mangoes, you understand. So we cannot say mangoes is all about something, give it another section. Inside this another section, we cannot talk about what, cannot say article, you understand. Articles, what is the article all about? The article is all about, let's give it a class. We can say all about, we can say all about mangoes, or all about apples. Yes, all about apples. Then we can write articles on apples, you understand. We can write article on apples, or we can have different sections. Inside this article we can have another section again, you understand. So we can have multiple section here, inside here. I will say section 1, section 2, and also we can have another section right here also on top of this section here. So I want to talk about another thing. When we are talking about section is we can call section defines section of, or section in a document. Section is the one that defines section in a document, but article defines the content. So that's the main thing that is there. So I want you to understand all this very well, because this question right here, that can we use the definitions to decide how to next those elements? No, we cannot. So the section is just for something, we can just create section 1, section 2, section 3, right? But this one, section is inside the document, but it never defined, it's not for the main content. So the article can be inside the content, not the section. So Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next. Bye bye.